Good boy.
Whoa.
He's quick.
Yeah, I said that on the other one. He's really quick. He's smart. He never gets tired of this stuff. You gotta let him get it once in a while because otherwise he'll get bored. Honey, the circle is too wide. I can't keep it in the shot. Oh, Frankie. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Got your exercise for the night? You ready to go to sleep? Yeah, right. You gonna go to sleep now, kitty? He's like, where's my playmate? Frankie. Frankie. Hi. He's looking at Jeff like, come on, man. I was just getting started.